Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-B7640DWB printer driver download and installation. So this is via USB drive. Okay, so first open any browsers to Google search box to like that, and after that first support.com, this official website. So click on it. Then select the Windows 11, Windows 10, 32, 64-bit server also there, and server also there. Select this Windows 11. Easy to set up, and this is actually easy to set up, and this is full software with the pack. And scroll down, this is a printer driver and scanner driver for the USB. Click on it. After that scroll down and click to download. After that it will start downloading in download box. You can see. Then click to this location. After that right click to open this, and after that it will extract same location. Then click to OK. Now open this folder, and then you can see this is your printer driver. Then close it. Then click to start. Now this is start installation. Click to setting, and then click to printer and device, and then this is printer and scanner. After that click on it, then click add device, and after that it will open the manual options. Now this is add manual option, then add network devices and manual, and then click to next. After that click to have disk, then click to browse and document did inf, then open, and then click to OK. After that find out 7640. This is your printer. Then next. Now install, finish, and your printer is connected and installed. Now restart your printer and your system also, and then please check the printing. Thank you.